So when you multiply binomials and trinomials or any type of nomial, you just got to make sure that every number in the first parentheses multiplies to every number in the second parentheses. And one of the ways teachers do that is they draw lines just to make sure that we don't miss any connections. So when we do 2y times negative 3y squared, we get negative 6y to the third power. Then we got to make 2y multiply to 6y. That gives us 12y squared. Because 6 times 2 2 times 6 makes 12, and then y times y makes y squared. Then we also have to do 2y times negative 1. That gives us negative 2y. So we've taken care of the 2y, now we just got to repeat the steps for 3. And make sure you do negative 3 too. That's something students often drop. But you'll always have to take the sign that's to the left of the number. This is a negative 3. So we got negative 3 times negative 3y squared. It's going to make negative 9y. Oh, shoot. That's positive 9y squared. I'm sorry. Because a negative times a negative is a positive. Then you got to do negative 3 times 6y. I'm just running out of room. Normally I write this in a big line, but negative 3 times 6y, that gives us negative 18y. Then you get negative 3 times negative 1, that gives us a positive 1. And now we're done multiplying. The rest is just cleaning up. So we want to be able to write this in simplest form. You want to collect like terms. There's no like terms with negative 6y to the third, so I'm just going to write him in my final answer. We got 12y squared plus 9y squared. That makes 21y squared. So we got him taken care of. And they got negative 2y minus 18y. That's negative 20y because we went further in debt. We started with negative $2, subtracted $18 from it. And then the plus 1's hanging out by himself. Put that right here. So in black, that's our final answer.